So how do you use the Gboard Translate on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how it works. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, the Gboard is a third-party app which has to be installed at first on the iPhone. So you have to go to the App Store, check out the app, download it to your phone, and make sure you set it up. Like, you need to give the app permission since it's a keyboard to like install a new one. But then whenever you are writing something, it doesn't matter where you are at that moment, because you can just go to the text field or go to the keyboard and literally just hold down on the globe icon like that, and you'll be able to switch to the Gboard. It should appear right there. So you click on the Gboard like this, and now you need to scroll through the features. The best way to access the Translate is to click on the Google logo right there in the top left of the keyboard, and this gives you the ability to look up maps and like the YouTube or whatever. But we also have the Translate, and in here you basically can select the original language, which is the best way to detect the language because you can type in whatever. But the most important part is to select the text or translated language too, right? So for me, it's going to be like Spanish, for example. Now I can type something in, like whatever it's going to be. Click on, the confirming button. So when you click on Translate in the blue button, it's going to have the thing literally just typed into the actual text field, right? So the keyboard has like one text field where I type in the original language word, but then I click on confirm and it's going to paste it into the actual text field where I originally clicked on it to, paste the translated text. So it just works well, especially for chatting and talking with other people in different languages. So let me know if you managed to set it up and make it work. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one.